Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to enable missed call textback in GoHighLevel. Have you ever found yourself missing important calls from potential clients or customers, only to realize later that you might have lost a valuable opportunity? Well, worry no more. Today, we're diving into an essential feature in GoHighLevel that ensures you never miss out on engaging with your audience, enabling the missed call textback feature. This handy setup automatically sends a friendly text message to anyone who calls and doesn't get an answer, allowing you to keep the conversation going, capture leads, and ultimately grow your business. Let's get started by navigating to your GoHighLevel subaccount. It's crucial to ensure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple locations or clients. Double-check this by using the account switcher to confirm you're not stuck in the agency view. This step guarantees that any changes you make will apply precisely where you want them to. Once you've confirmed your location, head over to the Settings section. You'll find the gear icon conveniently located on the left sidebar. This is where all your account level preferences, such as phone settings, messaging configurations, and voicemail options, live. In the Settings menu, look for the Phone System section. This area is your control center for everything related to calling and texting features. If for some reason you don't see it, it's possible that you might not have the necessary permissions, or perhaps a phone number hasn't been connected to the subaccount yet. However, in most cases, the option should be readily available in the menu for you to access. The next step involves opening the Voice section. This part of the settings contains various options for handling inbound calls, managing voicemail behavior, and automating responses to missed calls. It's like the command center for your call handling strategy. Within this section, locate the voicemail and missed call textback option. This is where you can enable the automatic text reply feature, which acknowledges missed calls and invites callers to continue the conversation via text messaging. To activate the missed call textback, simply click the checkbox. Once the toggle is on, GoHighLevel will start sending your default missed call reply to any incoming callers who didn't get an answer. The great thing about this setup is that most accounts automatically save this setting, so you don't have to worry about manually saving your changes. Just check the box, and you're all set. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of helpful tips to ensure a seamless experience. Make sure your voicemail greeting and textback message are consistent in tone to provide callers with a unified experience. Ensure that your business hours are accurately reflected in the account settings. This information helps set the right expectations for when you're typically available to respond. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled the missed call textback feature in GoHighLevel. This powerful tool ensures that missing a call doesn't mean missing an opportunity. With this feature in place, more conversations can move forward, allowing your team to respond at their convenience, while ensuring prospects know you've received their call. That's it for this tutorial on how to enable missed call textback in GoHighLevel. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.